Good evening. It is 11:29, and this is the last check-in for today, August the 10th. As we can see, according to what's happening on the price action, we did come all the way down to our 61.8. We retraced back to that level. Now we're on the upward tick. I made the decision about an hour ago to enter in just above there. Although in the previous video, I said that if it came back down to 61.8, that I would go in a little bit above that. So now we're on the upward trajectory. I expect that overnight it's going to either come back and retest my projection of 61.8 or surpass that to go to my next target at 1588. I wanted to show a couple of calculations here as well. We had a calculation that was 180 degrees from my anchor of 292.05 degrees that hit at 3:36 p.m. This is the 3 o'clock candle on the 1 hour chart. And as you can see, it gave us a higher low, which meant that we were going to go in the upward trajectory, just as the math would said it would. Now, and this is another calculation here. Up here, you can see that there's a 20 bar mark from this high. I actually squared this high and added 180 degrees and came to this candle here. And this is where we got our push all the way down to the 61.8 level. So anybody who calculated that properly was able to enter either just below that candle and ride that down to the 61.8, or just, kind of wait and see until it reached that level, the bottom, which I call it the bottom, and take the trend to the upside. Now, in my case, I decided to, once it did hit that 61.8, I wanted to see if it was going to come back and retest. And that's what I was waiting for. I always try to wait for the retest because you don't know how short or how long you have to wait for that. So waiting for the retest is sometimes worth the payoff. So we'll see. Right now we're on the upward movement, and looks like I'm at how many pips so far? Just 4. But I've got my mark at the top here to snag 71 pips at my 360 degree level, which I've been eyeing for the last few days now. And I think we're going to hit it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check the links in the description. Sign up for the free course. Get your first few formulas to calculate your own planetary positions. And of course, check out the book, Trading with the Stars, available on Amazon.